The MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 is a MetaTrader 4 based indicator that was built on the momentum indicator, the moving average indicators, the relative strength index and the average directional index indicators, and which can work any time frames and currency pairs in the markets. Some advantages and disadvantages of using the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4. One of the first major advantages of using the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 is that it can help a trader to detect the overall trend direction when trading. This automatically implies that the trader can use the indicator to spot exactly which direction the currency pair or trading asset that the trader is currently working on is headed on the time frame that the trader is looking at it from. This means that the trader can then decide to become involved in taking trades in that direction, and it is then easier to find trades in that direction, as the trader can then easily take trades once he or she knows the general direction that the market is likely to be headed. This is very important because several times in the market, traders lose a lot of money simply because they go against the general trend in the markets. This means that when a trader is not properly aligned in the correct direction that the market is going, which is most likely found by going to the higher time frames to see what the current trend is, the trader might be at a risk of going against the current direction that the market is currently headed to and risks being in substantial losses as a result. Another very important advantage of using the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 is that it can help the trader to spot when the market has just reversed. This means that a trader who wishes to know when the market turns around can start by carefully watching what direction the market is currently headed to. The trader can then see as the reversal is happening in real time, since the indicator responds very quickly to price and will immediately change direction in order to indicate to the trader that the market direction has changed. This is very important because a trader who doesn't know when a market has actively reversed why continue to take trades in the wrong direction, and the more trades a trader takes in the wrong direction, the more that trader experiences losses as a result of trading against the market. Traders, therefore, must learn to align their trades in the proper direction in the markets by always watching to make sure that the maker hasn't changed direction, which will always be evident with the indicator, as it will change its own direction as soon as the market changes direction as well. Traders using the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 can improve its level of accuracy drastically by incorporating larger timeframe directions in its decision-making process. This means that the trader must watch the market on the larger timeframes. The market direction on the larger time frame must correspond to the lower time frame or the time frame that the trader is currently working on in order for the trader to take whatever trader he or she plans to take. It has to be done in the direction of the larger time frames for accuracy. The trader can also replicate the indicator on the higher time frames for even better analysis. The trader would then need to read the indicator's signals on the higher time frame to make decisions on the same indicator's signals on the lower time frame. That way, the trader always makes sure that his trading decisions are always aligned across all time frames at all times. Since the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 is a combination of both the stochastics indicator, the relative strength index and the average directional index indicators, it combines all of these indicators together in analysis to make sure that the trader is always on the right side of the market and that the trader always gets accurate signals whenever these indicator signals merge or are combined together. The MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 also helps traders to find opportunities to get into a trend even when the trend has already started. This is mostly after the price has rested a bit or after a retracement in price. The indicator usually creates new signals after such retracement in order to help traders to enter trend continuation trades in the direction of the market. This means that the trader can then add several times to his or her position in line with the trend each time that the market rests a bit or that profit is taken by some of the market participants. This way, a trader can enter multiple positions, reduce their overall risk up to a point where they're not playing the market with its own money. That way the trader can make a lot of profit from a trend that would have just given him or her a little number of profits. This is how a trader can enter trades that are in the direction of the trend and maintain those trades properly. Another major advantage of using the MadroGoldenFilter indicator for MT4 is that it can help to keep the trader in the trend for a long time. This means that the trader would not have to be afraid of the trend changing on them, because the market would usually alert them as soon as a new trend change occurs so that the trader can immediately capitalize on it as soon as it occurs. This is very important because statistics have shown that an average trader is right on the direction of the market at least 70% of the time, but yet this trader fails to make money in the markets. This means that the trader can guess correctly but still not make money because he or she does not let their winning trades run and cut their losing.